What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to replace a sway bar link for a 2006 Subaru Forrester. Link in the description to get one. Now let's get started. Down below we got the car on ramps and everything's safe and secure. I even put a couple chocks there just for added safety. So here's the sway bar link. What we're going to do is we're going to spray this down. There's two ways you can remove these. You can use the 17mm deep socket. If you're lucky enough, it'll just come right off. Or you can use the T30 torque bit and a 17mm wrench. Let's see how far we get with just the socket. Okay, that one came out pretty easy. Tried the bottom. No luck. All right. Using a pry bar, let's pull that out. There we go. So because this is stripped, what you can do is use the pry bar, push up against it. So now there's pressure right in here. To get this strip bolt out, what we gotta do next is use the T30 and the 17mm. Like that. There we go. A brand new sway bar link. So these sway bar links are fitted so that they slide in, but then you're like, well, how do I get that piece right in there? The way to do that is you have to bend these, go in, and then go in. Screw the nut on. Okay, it's on nice and tight. Okay, that's nice and tight. That's how you replace a bad sway bar link. If you're going to replace one side, it's best to replace the opposite side as well. Link in the description to get a pair of these. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe, and always remember that Jesus Christ loves you and only He can solve your biggest problem.